Hello children, welcome to Sarvani channel. 6th class maths I am dealing with Telangana state syllabus. So before going to do that, let me talk about use or use it or lose it. It's a problem. What is the meaning of use it or lose it? This is something dealing with your knowledge and your capacity. See, biologically, if you talk about the structure of the brain, it will be same for everybody. That means what? Internal system is same for all of us. But why some people are very clever, intelligent and perfect, and why some are not like that? The reason for it is they are not using their knowledge. They are not using their capacity. Then what happens if you don't use it? You will lose it. That's what is happening. If you have that confidence in you, yes, I can do, I have to do, I should grow in my life, I should have the best future in my life, I should live happily, I should make my family happy. If you have this kind of firm decisions in your life, definitely you will use your intelligence, children. Anything when you are not using, it gets rusted, it will go waste. This is what is happening with your brain, children. Please don't think that you are you are not so clever. The one who is coming first in your class, don't think that God has given him a great brain. But I am not having that. That is why I am unable to do. No, not like that. You are an intelligent person. But the thing is, you are not doing such a hard work which the other person, intelligent person is doing. His intelligence is showing in doing hard work. So if you also do the hard work, definitely you also will be the best person. So don't lose it, children. Never try to lose your intelligence. Use it. You will become the best in your life. Let us come back to our studies. Now, what am I doing? I am doing 4th chapter, that is basic geometric ideas. In there, exercise 4.1 I need to do. In 4.1, you have got the first problem. In this first problem, 2 bits are there. They have given points like this: A, B, C. This is first bit. And in second bit, they have given points P, Q, R, S and T. These are the points they have given. First problem, second problem. Now the question is, join the points. What is that they are asking you? Join the points and name the line segments so formed in the figure. First what you need to do? You have to join the points. So let us join the points. So first bit first I will be doing. So here I am joining these points. A and B I am joining. B and C I am joining. And A and C. Now, when I have joined the few points, I am getting a figure. It's a triangle. So, what are the line segments? What line segments we have got? Let us see. The first line segment that we have got is AB. A and B. Draw like this. This indicates AB. And the second one what I have got? BC. And the third one what I have got? CE. Okay children, this is the first bit. These are the line segments you have got. You know, line segments is the joining of 2 points. So when A and B they have got joined, we have got AB. When B and C you have joined, you are getting BC. When C and A you are joined, CA you are getting. Now let us join second bit. Let us do the second bit. Join P and Q and R and Q and R, and then R and S, and then S and T, and then P and T. So I have got, it is how many sides children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called as a pentagon. You will be learning it in the future. 5 sides figure is pentagon, 3 sides figure is a triangle. 4 sides it may be a quadrilateral. It is called quadrilateral. Different types of quadrilaterals we are going to learn in the higher classes. So here, let us see what are the line segments. The line segments here are, first one we have joined P and Q, and the second one is Q and R, and third one is R and S, fourth one is S and T, and fifth one is T and P. So these are the 5 line segments you have got, children. This is the first problem in your textbook. Write it. We go to the next problem. Now, second problem. What is the second problem? Now, you have got a figure, children, here. You have got a quadrilateral. Like this. You have got a figure with 4 line segments, and also this is little bit extended, and here also extended. So let me name them. They have named it as A. This point is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Now here this point, joining point is O. Now the question is, name the following from the figure. They have given 5 bits, children. Let me write the bits. This is second problem. First bit is any 5 points you have to write, and second bit is any 5 line segments, and I need a place for it. Third bit, any 3 rays, and fourth bit, any 2 lines. So these are the things they have asked the children. Any 5 points. What are 5 points, children? This is 1 point. 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 So what are the points? Remember, children, always point should be represented with capital letters. So you are having 5 points. A, B, C, D and O. Center is O. This is the answer for it. 5 line segments. What are 5 line segments, children? We can write the first one AB and second one BC and third one CD, fourth one DA or AD. How many? 5 they said. So you can write even OB as the fifth one. Anything you can write. You can write OB or OC or OD or OA, anything. But they have asked only 5, so we have completed 5. Now any 3 rays. What is a ray, children? We have got the definition. A ray will have a starting point and it goes endlessly. So first ray we will be writing OD. Ray symbol is this, I told you. First ray is OD and second ray is OB. OB is second ray and third ray is OA. And only 3 they have asked, so enough. Any 3 rays they said, these are the answers. So these are answers for this problem, children. So this is also answer for this problem. Now any 2 lines. What are lines, children? Lines which will not end. Both the ways arrows are there. B and D. So first one answer is BD. So line you have to represent like this. And second one is AC. This is the line. So this problem is dealing with your knowledge about what is a point, what is a line segment, what is a ray, what is a line. Already the definitions I have given. If you want, you can see the previous video for it. And this is the answer, children. Copy it. Now, I will go to the third problem. Now, let us see what is the third. The third bit, how many line segments can be drawn? The question is, how many line segments can be drawn? Can be drawn. How many line segments can be drawn through? They have given the first bit, 1 point and second bit, 2 distinct points. Distinct points means 2 separate points. 2 distinct points. Make a rough figure for your answer. They are asking to draw the figure also. Through 1 point. Through 1 point, let us consider this is the point given to you, O. How many line segments you can draw, children? See, how many line segments you can draw, not lines. They are asking how many lines can be drawn, not line segments, children. The problem is, problem is, third one, how many lines can be drawn, not line segments. Lines can be drawn through it. So this is O, children. If it is O, let me draw a line like this. This is one line. I can even draw a line like this. This is another line. I can draw one more line like this. This is another line. I can draw one more line like this through this point. Even I can draw like this also, like this also, like this also. That means what, children? You can write countless. Countless means infinity. Infinity lines. Infinity lines means countless lines. Countless lines. Infinity lines means countless lines. You cannot count, can be drawn. Now, countless lines can be drawn. Children, if it is a line segment, it is not possible to draw even a single line segment, because for a line segment you need 2 points. But the problem is how many lines you can draw. How many lines you can draw? Infinite number of lines you can draw through this. Now 2 points here they have given. Suppose you have got a point A and you have got a point B. Through A and B, how many lines you can draw, children? It is possible to draw a line like this. So I am drawing one line like this. Now if I need to draw another line, how can I draw? I can draw another line either through A or through B. But joining both at AB, I cannot draw another line. So what we can say? 2 distinct points means only one line can be drawn. Understood, children? If it is one point, countless, infinite number of lines you can draw. Still more I can draw, but the figure looks very odd. If I keep on drawing, that is why I have stopped it here. I can take line 1, line 2, line 3 like this. How many lines you can draw means innumerable lines you can draw through single point. But when they have given 2 points, it is possible for you to draw only one line, not more than that. Please copy this. Now, we will go to the 4th one. Now the next point, which of the following has definite length? Which of the following has definite length? This is the question. Now, first bit is given as line and second bit is given as point and third bit is given as line segment and fourth bit is given as you have got fourth bit is given as ray. Now children, which of the following has a definite length? Definite length means what, children? You should measure it with a scale. If you take a scale, you should correctly measure how many centimeters does that line has. Maybe the line might be 5 centimeters, it might be 7 centimeters, it might be 10 centimeters. How can you measure? If you want to measure a line segment, you need 2 points. The distance between the 2 points you can say. So if you want 2 points for a line, where are the points? Because the line ends continuously. It goes on like this. Then there are no definite points to measure. So we cannot measure with a line. With a single point, no, we need another point for measuring. To get a line segment, it is not possible with single point. and a line segment. Definitely a line segment means what, children? The 2 points. Here, if you draw a figure, this is a line without anything. This is a point. Here, the line segment means you have got A and B. If you join, you are getting a line segment. You can very well you can measure. And the ray means what, children? Of course, there is a starting point, but there is no ending point. How can you measure? So, line segment is your answer. So, which one? The question, which of the following has got a definite length? Your answer will be line segment. It is a line segment which can give a definite measure. Others cannot give. So I hope you have understood, children. Copy it. Now, let us go to the next problem. Now, fifth problem. How many endpoints do the following have? How many endpoints do the following have? This is the question, children. Now, you will be having first one, line segment, and second bit, ray, and third bit, line. Okay. So, let us see one by one. Answer. Your answer is first bit, line segment. So, let us draw a line segment. This is a B. If you join, you are getting line segment. So, how many endpoints it has got? It has got 2 endpoints. And second bit, ray. What is ray? This is ray. It has got 1 point and there is no end point. So we will say that it has only 1 point. Next, third one, line. So when you are drawing a line, is there any end point, children? So we will say that it has no end points. A line has no end points because the line continues like this. You cannot say it is starting from here and it is ending here. A line can never start, it can never end. It is a continuous one. But a ray, it has got a starting point, but there is no end. For a line segment, a starting point as well as an ending point is there. So this is the answer, children, for this problem. Please write down. Now, sixth problem. Sixth problem here is write true or false. Let us take the bit. A line has no end points. And second bit, ray is a part of a line. Ray is a part of line and part of a line. Okay. Next, a line segment has no definite length. Third bit, a line segment has no definite length. Next, fourth bit, a line segment has only one end point. A line segment has only one end point. And the fifth one is, we can draw many lines through a point. Many lines through a point. Now this is actually, these questions are actually on the whole your topics revision. It's like a revision. A line has no end points. Yes or no, children? You cannot start a line, you cannot end a line. So it is a true statement. And let us see the second one. Ray is a part of a line. Ray is a part of a line. So if you draw a line like this, if you keep a point here, say O, OP, this is a ray. It is true. It is a part of a line. It is also true. Now, the next one. A line segment has no definite length. Is it true, children? If you have a line segment A and B, don't you have a definite length? You can measure it. So it is a false statement. And the next one, a line segment has only one end point. This is the line segment. Is it having only one end point? No, a line segment has two end points. We can draw many lines through a point. Of course, I have explained you earlier. If O is a point, you can draw many lines through a given point. So, it is a true statement. So, I hope you have understood this, children. Okay. Now, seventh problem. Draw and make. The first one, line containing point P. And second one, line passing through R. So actually the first one, a line containing point P. The answers let us write for the first one. You have to draw a line like this. This is a line. For this line, a point P. Anywhere you can take a point P. This is the line you have drawn through P. And second one means a line you have drawn and you have kept a point P. Second one, a line passing through R. So this is R. A line passing through R, any way you can draw, children. It can be like this. Because he is asking a line a line passing through R. This is one line. But you can draw lines. If he would have given plural, many lines he would have drawn. So line, he said, passing through R. So we are supposed to draw only one line. So this is your exercise, children. 4.1. Next part I will teach you afterwards. So copy this. This whole exercise I have completed. Fourth exercise.